What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle people. Today we have another fire jump rope tutorial. This is a 2-minute tutorial for you. Usually we go out on a Tuesday, but we're a little bit late. This is going out tonight, Wednesday. And today we're gonna be sharing with you how to make your double under crossovers elite, okay? We've got 2 styles of double under crossovers. So if you're a CrossFitter out there, if you're someone who's just getting into boxing, someone who just wants to get into fitness, if you guys can learn this move, step by step, I've already shown previous tutorials on this, but if you can learn how to do both sets of double under crossovers, this will make your jump rope game super elite, super professional. And today I'm going to share with you a really quick drill to get you, I guess, zoned in on how you can kind of connect the 2 styles together and just go between each one really nice and easy, all right? So we're going to get 2 minutes on the clock, people. Remember, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. We're the hottest fitness community growing across the world today, and we're backed up by the #1 jump ropes on the internet. Use Rush10 for 10% discount. We ship worldwide, so hit the link down below, peeps. All right, so let's get straight into this, peeps. I'm gonna share with you both methods, okay? And what you wanna try and do is you wanna try and go in between each one to help you really make this move elite for you, okay? So the first method is under cross. This, in my opinion, is the easier of the 2 double under crossovers. Rope goes underneath us, and then we cross as we land. 1 jump, right? Remember, just a quick side note, if you need to get this move done, like step by step properly, go check my previous videos. This tutorial is really for those of you who can do both moves or in between both moves and you want to really connect them together and make it really, really kind of professional. The second move is what I kind of call the Mayweather method. So what he would do is, and what I think is kind of like the most difficult one, is you cross first, then you open the rope out. So it's jump and you're going to cross first, then open the rope out. That's kind of like, I think, the more trickier version, but if you're somewhere in between the 2 or you're practicing one and the other, what I want you to do with this drill today, people, is, and it's really helped me as well over the years, is to try and combine these 2 double under crosses, these kind of methods, within double unders. So how that's gonna look is if you're kind of using the under cross method, which looks like that, you're then gonna add a double under after it, and then you're gonna now go into your cross open. So here we go. Okay. Hopefully you see the difference. So it's under cross, double, then the Mayweather double under cross. So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to connect the 2 moves. Obviously we've got the double under in between it, but the drill is really to kind of go in between or kind of chop and change the 2. This is a really difficult move because when someone really learns the first method, let's say the under cross or the open cross method, as it's called, they get stuck with it. The muscle memory gets built in all around that move, and then when it comes to doing the Mayweather method, the kind of cross open, their, again, muscle memory or their arms, their body, the coordination doesn't really fit. So what we're doing with this drill, when it's done correctly, is we're gonna just go between the 2, add the double under in between. So hopefully you can see there's a difference. We're gonna kind of throw in some B-roll here, but the key here is I'm trying to help you guys, especially those of you who are kind of intermediate advanced with these moves, not beginners as such, but someone who's good at both or one or the other, to really make them look super, super effortless, right? I would say one other kind of tip I could give you is as you're kind of doing this combination is to make sure that the height of your jumps are exactly the same. So what I'm feeling is when I do that first jump, the double under that follows it is the same height. You don't want to have a double under crossover where your legs are kicking out, which is what I see a lot of kind of dolphin kicks or like kind of big extensions in the body where it looks like this and then you're struggling then to add a double under afterwards. Feel like you're taking off nice and straight. Feel like your toes are facing the floor, legs nice and straight. That way, you can then go straight back into double unders. You can kind of land on the balls of your feet, spring off for the double under. Then when it comes to now doing the second part of the move, or like if you're incorporating the Mayweather, make sure when you get to these doubles, you're really firing these wrists. That's really important. It's obviously a quick move, the double under crossover, but you need to make sure that the wrists are firing at the same speed every single time. If you slow down with the wrists, you're gonna have to jump higher. Similarly, if you already have fast wrists, you don't need to jump so high. So Try and go in between the two moves, peeps. Use this little combination. This is a quick drill, 2 minutes. I'm always trying to share some of the kind of drills or some of the methods that I've been using over the years. And this is why, in my opinion, this is probably my most favorite move and why I've kind of got it locked in, because I've been practicing it for years and years exactly like this. So give it a try. Hopefully that helped you. My heart is racing. So I'm gonna leave it there for now. But remember, cop our gear. We've got mats on sale. We've got ropes on sale right now. Ship worldwide. We're also available on certain Amazons. And also, if you made it this far, if you're in the UK on August the 12th, that's a Saturday, we're celebrating our 6th birthday as a brand, as a business here at Fly City. So I love it if you guys can make it down. Come say what's up. There'll be some food, some drinks, some music, some good vibes. A lot of people in the community as well coming down to see the place. So it'll be a nice chance for you guys to connect with a lot more people. So if you can make it, be super awesome. It's a free sign up. Just show up with your friends, family, kids, whatever it is. And hopefully I'll see you. So guys, without further ado, I'll check you in the next video as always. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.